This is Frank and welcome back to Travel Tips, and today I want to talk about booking hotels. Now, there's quite a few places where I go and I register for their rewards program. I'm a platinum member of Intercontinental. I always get an upgrade, bottle of wine, free drinks. I love traveling with them. But if I'm staying in another hotel, I'm also with Hilton, Marriott, but if I'm staying anywhere else and I have to get a hotel, there's so many sites you can go to. You can go to Trivago, hotels.com, bookings.com, or you can just go to TripAdvisor. The one I try to use most of the time is hotels.com. Now, the rates there are very similar. I think Expedia owns just about all of the same sites. So if I go into hotels.com, what I love about them is once you booked 10 nights, you get 1 night free. So I try to do that all the time. If I'm doing a long trip away, maybe 15, 20 nights away, I'll book it through there and I know I'm getting 2 free nights. Also, being owned by Expedia and using so many hotels, I'm now, I think, a gold or a platinum member. And even if I'm booking a hotel via a third party with hotels.com, when I get there, I'm welcomed in. And a lot of the times I'm now given an upgrade. So there's a little thing, try and stick to one of those. And I would say hotels.com is the one I use.
Hey, this is Frank, and I hope you enjoyed today's podcast. There's lots and lots more to come. I've visited so many countries, so many cities, and I've got so much more to come. So please subscribe. Please go on and watch every one of the series. Give me some comments, give me some feedback. Also, take a look at my websites, frankfurness.com. and productivitycenter.com. Also follow me on LinkedIn, Frank Furness. Every day I come up with some great new ideas and strategies. So hey, this is Frank. Thanks for listening.